Alright guys, so what we got back was the legendary 7.3 here, and we drove it back all the way from Mission, and it drove really good, engine overhaul drove really good. It was just the suspension that was just a little bit off, but we're gonna get new shocks, new suspensions, rims and tires, so after all that, pretty sure it's gonna drive pretty smooth. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna start on the body work on it.
And well, guys, there's a gentleman with us, and he's gonna help us with some bodywork tips. So stay tuned, and here we go.
What are we gonna do?
Take off the filter.
Alright, I'm just gonna take off the side mirrors. Alright, you do this.
Let me know if you need help.
Okay.
Alright, guys. So today we're gonna get started. As you can see, we have the gentleman that we were talking about. So, ¿con qué vamos a comenzar, oiga?
Vamos a empezar con el lijada, tumbar la pintura vieja esta, la que está ya muy usada, y empezar con la sender de aire, y luego ya empezar a boldear los golpecitos.
Con eso primero.
Sí, con eso primero.
Buenas tardes, oiga, ¿cómo estamos?
¿Cómo está? ¿Bien? Ya?
A ver, su nombre, identifíquese ahí.
Benny Martínez.
Don Benny, ¿cuántos años tiene haciendo usted esto?
Pues unos 25, 30 años yo creo.
Ah, no, entonces esto ya para usted ya es algo normal.
Pues sí, pues aquí andamos trabajando, ¿qué más?
¿Y dónde es usted? ¿Dónde trabaja? ¿O qué?
Aquí en Mercedes, Texas.
¿Hacen trabajos ahí?
Sí.
¿O su número o algo, oiga?
Ahí se lo voy a poner.
Ahí se lo ponemos.
Sí.
Ah, bueno, oiga, y entonces nosotros normalmente lo que hacemos es el trabajo del Raptor.
Ajá.
Y de pintura no sabemos todavía mucho, pero muchas gracias por venir a ayudarnos aquí a los
No,
muchachos.
estamos pechando la mano, ya sabes.
Y ahí vamos a poner su número para que si necesita gente, trabajos de pintura, ahí está usted.
Trabajos económicos para la gente buena.
Ándale, muchas gracias. Guys, this is Mr. Benny, like I said, and we're going to put his number right there. He's right here located in Mercedes, Texas. He's a real good gentleman that's giving us some time to come in and help the guys to learn a little bit more of body work. But if you guys need anything, his number's right there at the bottom, like you could see. And once again, thank you so much.
Thank you.
What's going on, guys? You guys are doing a great job. You guys been here for maybe about 2.5, 3 hours, and you already got the whole side of this truck done.
Yeah, I mean, it's pretty much easy. The paint is just coming off like nothing. It's not giving us a lot of trouble. And as you can see, Mr. Benny, he taught us how to fix these dents really easily. As you can see, it's pretty smooth. There's no
That was actually a pretty big dent right there in the back corner. And
yeah, all of this right here, just 3 dents, a little small one here. And he just taught us how to fix it like nothing, real quick, real simple. And what I'm doing right now is just finishing right here all the glue from the plastic that I had. And I'm just taking it off so once we sprayed, the glue won't be there and then the paint will come off. So that's what I'm doing, just sanding it, and that's pretty much it. So let me just finish up.
Alright guys, for today we're pretty much done. What we did today, we just took off the side mirrors and the panels from inside, as you can see, on all doors. The other thing we did is we sanded the vehicle all the way around. We also fixed the dents, those small little dents that it had. And that's pretty much it for today. We thought it was gonna take longer, but it was pretty much easy. It wasn't that hard. We pretty much finished sanding the entire vehicle in one day, so it was pretty easy.
Also, I mean, the paint, we didn't have enough, like a lot of trouble with the paint. It just came right off, like easily. So it was pretty much easy. It's an easy job.
So that was for day one. Tomorrow, what we're gonna do is we're gonna fix the bigger dents, which is, as you can see, one right here, which is all the way inside. So we're gonna get to that and see what else we can get done tomorrow. Alright guys, so thank you for your support and like and subscribe.